or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the
on an infinitesimal level. Now, when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements, but I didn't have, right, I mean, down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance.
disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological.
Stimuli is augmented, modified, or augmented.
Emotional fluctuation. You have
conscious emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself.
Autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been falling.
Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.